In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a market order on the Binance mobile app, especially designed for beginners. Whether you're new to trading or just need a little refresher, this easy to follow guide will have you navigating the Binance app like a pro in no time. Trading on your mobile device is remarkably convenient, and Binance offers one of the most user-friendly interfaces. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on Trade. This is your gateway to all sorts of trading activities available on the platform. Remember, it's always a good idea to ensure your app is up to date for the best performance and newest features. Once you're in the trading section, the next step is to choose a trading pair. For this demonstration, let's go with a classic example, the BTC USDT pair, which represents Bitcoin and Tether. Trading pairs essentially indicate the currency you're buying or selling, and choosing the right one is crucial depending on your investment goals. Now that you've selected your trading pair, it's time to decide on the type of order you want to place. Here, you'll want to tap on Market. A market order means you're agreeing to buy or sell at the current market price. It's the most straightforward type of trade and is best for quick transactions, as you don't have to set a specific price to execute your trade. Next, you'll enter the amount you wish to buy or sell. You can specify this amount based on the available balance in your account. Take a moment to review your available funds and ensure you're comfortable with the amount you're committing to the trade. Being precise here is vital, as it can affect your overall trading strategy and potential profits or losses. Finally, once you're ready, you'll tap either buy or sell to confirm your market order. This step is fairly immediate, as market orders are designed to be executed at the current available price. Remember to double check your order before confirming, as transactions, once completed, cannot be undone. And there you have it, you've successfully placed a market order on Binance's mobile app. With this knowledge, you can now confidently execute trades while on the go, making the most of market opportunities as they arise. Keep practicing, and over time you'll find yourself becoming more adept at navigating the world of cryptocurrency trading on mobile. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.